Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error codes CE-34054-6 and CE-41813-7 on PlayStation 4. Method 1. Restarting PS4. Locate the power button. The power button is on the front of the console. Where it is located differs depending on which PS4 model you have. Once you locate the power button, press and hold it until it beeps twice. It should take about 7 seconds or so. After the console beeps twice, go ahead and release the power button. You will see the power indicator light on the front of the console will turn white and start flashing. Wait until the power indicator light stops flashing, then unplug the console. And disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a controller, headset, hard drive, etc. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before connecting it again to power and restart the console. After that, you plug in everything and turn on the PS4. Once done, check if the database is corrupted, error is fixed. Method 2. Rebuilding the PS4 database. This is the next thing you have to consider when fixing any error related to the PS4 database. To do this, you'll need to boot your PS4 into safe mode. Turn off your PS4 by holding down the power button for a few seconds until it beeps twice and goes off. Once it's turned off, press and hold the power button again until you hear 2 beeps. Now connect the PS4 controller with a USB cable. After that, press the PlayStation button present on the controller. The PlayStation will now be in the safe mode. Go to Rebuild Database Options and select it. The PS4 will start rebuilding the database, and this process can take a few hours. Once the rebuild process is completed, your PS4 should start up without any errors. Method 3. Factory reset your PS4. One more time, you'll need to boot your PS4 into safe mode. After that, in the Safe Mode menu, go to the option number 7 that is initialize the PS4 and reinstall the PS4 system software and select it. The PS4 will start factory resetting, and this process can take a few hours. To learn more on PS4 factory reset, please visit this page. Method 4. Check hard drive's health and format your PS4 hard drive on a PC. Formatting your PS4's hard drive will erase all of the data on it, so make sure you back up any important files before doing this. Now, you need to remove the hard drive from your PS4 console. To learn more on PS4 remove and reseat the hard drive, please visit this page. After remove the PS4's internal hard drive is done. First, connect it to a PC, either internally using the 2 SATA cables, data and power, or externally, easier option, using a USB external hard drive enclosure. Secondly, after your PC recognizes it, just using Crystal Disk Info software to check the health status of the hard drive. You can download and install Crystal Disk Info software using the link in the description or searching for it on Google. If health status is not good, I recommend that you better upgrade your PS4 hard drive. To learn more on the health status, please visit this page. But if you don't get a new hard drive is not possible now, you can try to full format your PS4 hard drive. To do that, open File Explorer. Right-click on the PS4's internal hard drive, then select Format. Note: you need full format, so uncheck the Quick Format option. Click Start. Once done, reinstall the PS4 system software by Method 3. Finally, if you're still getting the database's corrupted error or sometimes it shows up again, then your HDD seems to be on its last leg. It works for now, but I think that it won't be for long. You may need to get a new hard drive, back up your saved data, if you don't already have it saved to the cloud with PS Plus, and install on a fresh drive. If you are going to do it, you can refer to the 2 hard drive models linked in the description. That's it guys, hope this is useful.